Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Charlotte. Today we're breaking down something that seems simple on the surface, but has a bigger impact than most homeowners expect, and that's choosing the right deck color and finish. Most people start with appearance, which makes sense. You want your deck to look good and match your home. But color also affects comfort, maintenance, and how the deck performs over time. Let's start with heat. Lighter colors reflect sunlight, which helps keep the surface cooler. That can make a big difference during the summer, especially if your deck gets direct sun. Darker colors, on the other hand, absorb more heat. They can give a bold, modern look, but they may feel warmer underfoot during peak hours. Now let's talk about how color holds up over time. With natural wood, whatever color you choose needs to be maintained. That means staining and sealing on a regular basis. If you skip that, the deck will fade and turn gray. That's just how wood behaves outdoors. Composite materials like TimberTech handle this differently. The color is built into the material, so it stays consistent much longer. You don't have to restain it, and it resists fading from UV exposure. That makes it a good option if you want a consistent look without ongoing maintenance. Another important factor is how the deck color works with your home. The deck shouldn't feel separate. It should look like an extension of the house. That means considering siding color, trim, roof tone, and even nearby landscaping. At Tough Deck Builders Charlotte, we help homeowners look at the full picture, not just the sample board. Because what looks good in a small piece might feel different once it's installed across the entire deck. If you're planning a new build or updating your current deck, call 998-0872 or visit toughdeckbuilderscharlotte.com. The right color choice doesn't just improve appearance, it improves how the space feels every day.